In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front corner bulb in this Volkswagen Beetle. Let's get into it. There's a little cover right here. Just take a straight blade screwdriver, get behind here, pop that cover off. Now you can take a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen up this screw. Grab the lamp, pull it out, and grab the socket and just twist it to the right, and it slides right out. To replace the bulb, just grab the bulb, twist to the left, and it slides right out. This is an amber 1157A bulb. To install the bulb, just line this up and twist to the right. Just take the socket, line it up, and twist. And this side wants to go into that slot right there. And we'll tighten the screw up. Just snug, not too tight. And take this piece and lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.